myself fall into you. I never thought I'd fall right through.